Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to create these stunning signs using Scrabble letters. So let's get started. Materials that we are going to use to create this project are a 6x8 shadow box frame. I'm using a shadow box frame because I want to have glass and to accommodate the depth of the Scrabble tiles. Regular frames are typically not deep enough. We're going to use spray adhesive. I like Scotch brand Super 77 adhesive. Then we're going to need 65 to 85 pound cardstock for you to add your tiles and to print your saying. I use my color printer to print the saying onto the cardstock. Don't forget painter's tape. And I also like to use a glue, usually 6000, or you can use a hot glue gun. Don't forget your Scrabble letters. Today I'm using the word mother, so make sure you have all your letters set aside. Plus you might need a paper cutter or scissors. But don't worry, I will have a link to all these items in the description below. To begin, we need to measure the inside of your frame and the mat if you're going to use one to make sure you print your saying in the correct location and there is enough room for your Scrabble letters. Most picture frames aren't deep enough for the tiles unless you don't use the glass. After you have printed your saying on your desired cardstock and cut it out to the correct size, take the frame's backer and spray it with adhesive. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds until it is tacky and apply your cardstock with the saying to the backer. Make sure you get a good adhesion. I even take a roller and really apply pressure to make sure I have great contact. Once done, set aside until fully dry. Now that your cardstock is dry and attached to your frame's backer, lay your mat over your cardstock, if you're using one, and apply painter's tape to hold everything in place. Then do a placement of your tiles before you glue to make sure you like it. Once happy with the placement, you're ready to apply the tiles. With your glue gun or strong glue, apply a small dab of glue to the first letter, then place it on the cardstock. Repeat the process for the remaining letters. When you have added all the letters, set aside until the glue is fully dry. As you can see, I'm using a hot glue gun to attach the letters. I'm only doing this for ease of creating this tutorial, but you really want to use 6000 glue because you want this project not to shift and to last. You can pick up this glue just about anywhere. Also, even though I didn't mention this, I always use a ruler to get my lettering straight. Now that the glue has dried, you can attach the backer to your frame. Remove any painter's tape that you use and check that there is no debris on the cardstock or mat. Now attach them and secure how your frame is designed. Once I attach the backer to this project, I will show you the final project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy crafting!